These are the rooms left of what was a second classroom block at Ngusi Junior Secondary School. This damage saw learners from different grades being accommodated into one classroom. This adds to the dilapidating infrastructure at the school, which poses a threat to the lives of learners and teachers. One of the learners says the situation is hindering them.
Utitsha xa efundisa ngaphaya siyafuna umamela nale ifundiswa ngaphaya but omnye utitsha ngaphaya afundisa asifuna umamela le sifuna umamela le ifundiswa ngaphaya but siyaphazamiseka xa sifundayo because idiyontsha eklasini eyi-1 ziyanetha iiklasi zethu sifunda kabuhlungu because sisuka kude nosuka kude izindlu ziyanetha apha phezulu so before sifunde funeka siqale sisuse amanzi.
The school is facing more than just lack of classrooms. In addition to that issue, they are also dealing with challenges related to clean water and sanitation. The students have to rely on tank water that passes through asbestos roofing, and they are still using pit toilets that were originally designated for the teachers after their own facilities were destroyed.
Sisela namanzi asuka ku-asbestos ingakho ii-diseases kuthi because la manzi amdaka langena apha etankini but siyawasela. Neethoyilethi zethu zikude and abantwana besikolo aba bancinci abanokwazi ukuya ezithoyilethi because iyadi yethu ayikho right iyadi yethu bayakwazi ungena abantu because abantwana bangarechile ezithoyilethi kude.
Parents at the school says this is a painful situation for their children and a violation of their rights. The chairperson of the SGB at the school, Albert Gweja, says they have been writing to the district office asking for assistance, but all has been in vain.
Sizamile uya nase-district office kumhloli hayi khange sincedakale. Inoba siye more than 6 times masisiya pha asincedakale kumhloli sade sagqithela saya ku-district manager district office hayi naye akho nto ayincede kuyo. Abantwana bayasokola mani banetha nonetha kwela block nela lirayitanga.
Despite the SGB chairperson claiming to have sent the June disaster report, Department of Education spokesperson Malibongo Mtema says they do not have such a report.
Ngusi JSS is a very small and unviable school with 113 learners enrolled for 2025. This is one of the schools that was unattended due to the budgetary constraints. The school was advised to utilize day-to-day maintenance budget, and for 2025 June disasters, the school was not reported or it doesn't appear on our disaster list. The existing 5 classroom block is sufficient for the learners due to the learner numbers. The school is also among the new schools that were assessed for asbestos. The intention of the department is to eradicate the existence of asbestos roof, but this is also dependent on the availability of budget.
The community of Ngusi hopes that the government will intervene soon. I am Yamkela Mchia for MPK News, Mcindane.